How to buy ETF on XTB? Follow these steps. Create an XTB account on their website or app by signing up with your email, phone number, and personal details. Complete identity verification by uploading valid documents like passport or an ID and verifying your address details. Deposit money into your account using bank transfer, debit credit card, or supported e-wallet with no deposit fee. Open the xStation platform, web, desktop, or mobile, and log in using your registered credentials to access trading. Search for your preferred ETF in the Stocks ETFs section by typing the name or symbol into the search bar. Review ETF details like price, chart, fees, performance, and click Buy to open the trading window for your order. Choose volume, order type, market limit, confirm your trade, and your ETF will be added to your portfolio instantly. Thank you for watching.